knowledge के साथ साथ he is having skill also. That is very important because if you don't have skill, you cannot survive. आज के time में skill होना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. I think ये हम दोनों को ही ऐसा लगता है. और आपने जो केयर और लव उसको दिया है पढ़ाई के साथ साथ, वो हंसता है. He giggles during the class actually. I don't know the word for that. So तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And the moment he is having any problem, he will say कि मुझे सर के साथ शेयर करना है.
The thing is nowadays, right? He enjoys the company. That is most important thing because knows there is somebody whom he can speak, जिसके साथ वो बात कर सकता है, जिसके साथ वो चीजें share कर सकता है. I mean, these days, right? In past few years, I have came across lot of things, but Anthus is something different, and teachers as like you, right? Someone who is giving him so much confidence that he is trusting a lot on you guys.
जैसे आपने उसको उसके क्यूब के टैलेंट को जस्ट आपने उसको डिग आउट करा और वो काफी अच्छा कर रहा है. और उसको जैसे वो ही नोज कि इफ ही इज कमिंग टू एंथस तो वहां पे somebody is there to listen because हो सकता है कई ऐसी चीजें होती हैं. because we being parents हमें भी ऐसा लगता था कि we must go to counselor and all. बट एंथस में जुड़ने के बाद हमें लगा कि हमारे बच्चे को एक टीचर भी मिला, एक फ्रेंड भी मिला, एक गाइड मिला, एक मोटिवेटर मिला, काउंसलर भी मिला, और आप एक डॉक्टर भी हो. एक मतलब
feedback. So Adarsh is studying in grade 2 right now. He is studying in Singapore in one of the international schools. He's he was looking for getting into local Singapore school here, and that's when we reached out to Anthus. And I think initially when we had a discussion, we were not sure how it will proceed, but within a week time, we could see the difference in Adarsh because he started picking up the concepts well. Most important thing is he really enjoyed studying in the class, and he looked forward to the class. Like in the morning when he goes to school, he'll be excited to about the evening that okay, I'm going to join the Anthus school, Anthus class and Saurabh sir. So a child enjoys learning is most important thing, and the whole process of learning should be very very it should be in an environment where a child does not feel the stress. So that's what we feel is good about Anthus, because a kid learns at the same time he enjoys, and there's no limit to the learning. Again, that's another thing which I realized, because I think you were very clear in the beginning that you don't follow a set pattern. You want to realize the potential of the child, right? So we felt that he was somewhere getting bogged down by the rhetorics and by the monotonous kind of a syllabus, and when you throw some challenge at him, he was enjoying it. So that's what he enjoyed in Anthus, because he was looking at some tougher questions and in a very innovative and a playful manner, and that's what excites him. So I think it was an overall span of 2 months when we were working together. I think others really enjoyed, and we were happy that he is spending 1.5 hours non-stop, sitting in front of laptop, focusing. So his focus is also improved. That is another thing. So all these things are good. And I feel that maybe we need more teachers in your unit, because I always feel that you're running short of teachers like yourself. We need more of you to run this and parallelly do more classes, because it's a struggle to manage so many kids. So yeah, time management could be a thing which I could see that you can really work on.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, we are very happy. We're just waiting for the next phase, where if he gets into a school, maybe we'll relook at re-beginning the whole thing. So yeah, overall we are very happy. What about
Okay.
you?
Yeah, we are also very happy because of the focus. What I feel personally, a kid of a 7-year age, okay, is very tough to maintain the focus on the studies. Okay, after within a 10 to 15 minute of span, he just lose the interest. But what I feel in Anthus, whenever he sit in front of Saurabh sir, he always feel like, Mama, मेरे को class करना है. Mama, I don't want to go. Okay, and I want to go classroom. Okay, and he's always feeling encouragement kind of things. Okay, so ये part मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. ऐसा अभी तक नहीं हुआ था कि वो स्कूल में भी बोर होता है, हर जगह वो बोर होता है, बट एंथस वाले सौरभ सर के पास we always find something interesting. ठीक है, तो ये चीज मुझे अच्छा लगा. एक स्टूडेंट के पास इंटरेस्ट हो पढ़ने का, उससे बेटर कुछ नहीं होता है स्टार्टिंग के लिए. So that's very good for